that's when I realized that I had to convince Nick to drop everything and come with me.
Nick, we have to go to Vegas right now.
No. To Vegas?
Yes.
No.
Yes.
We hit the road with 11 hours ahead of us, and Utah was way cooler than I expected. Mountains, deserts, all of it. Also, fun fact, I learned that my car can on cruise control. Dope. Half a day later, we rolled into Las Vegas, and the first thing was posting to Instagram to let everyone know we made it.
Okay, so we're here. We just touched down. 11 hours of driving. My butt is sore. And now we need to find
Yeah, 11 ain't that bad.
And I just saw a White Castle, so I'm thinking Matt and Nick go to White Castle. He's looking for a dispo.
Yes.
Damn, that's a bright light.
Our first stop was at the Grove Distillery. We grabbed some live diamonds and doobies to start the trip off right. We had to get prepared for White Castle.
It feels so good to finally have some smoke.
To get there, we went through the Venetian, which looked insane inside. And I saw this boat. Nick, if we smoked in this boat, it would be a gondola. We hit the White Castle for the first time in my life, and naturally, I had to honor Harold and Kumar with a mountain of burgers. And after being awake for about 35 hours and a little pregame session, they were pretty good. We finally pulled into Circus, which felt sort of surreal to see in real life. This place is kind of crazy, but after we checked in, I
At
had
least
to
there's
get
White
some
Castle.
sleep. The next morning started with Einstein's Bagels in the casino, and a nice lady gave me a free pre-roll because she was about to get on the plane, and she could totally tell I wanted it.
It has like a little plastic lid, like a takeout order. Okay, cool.
This Vegas stuff was pretty good, though. A couple of rounds with the bomb later, and I was off to the convention center to pick up my press pass. Nick had to stay behind to work. When I got there, the vibes were sort of hectic with the check-ins, but I got my press pass and immediately ran into Haven from High Again. What's up, homie? On my way out, I saw Pigeons 420, Matt from ICANN, the whole From the Stash crew, and the whole Homegrowers Takeover crew. Meeting these people in real life felt insane, but I had no time to chill because I had to head back to Nick. It turns out the hotel I booked for 2 nights was actually only for 1 night, so Nick's key to the room wasn't working anymore. We got moved to a side motel that barely felt like Circus anymore, and this was our first hotel downgrade of the trip. We got our stuff moved over and headed back to the convention center to grab Nick's badge, and his was not free at all. Inside the convention was what I expected. Lots of cool tech and gear for business owners in the legal industry. A robot doggo came up to me to show me his moves. I got something for him later. I saw some bootleg South Park gummies, Nick found a jar as big as him, and I saw some camera setups that I definitely need. But honestly, I was just there to meet some cool people. And meet cool people we did. Everyone was super chill and the vibes were amazing. That was it for the convention on Wednesday, but the night was far from over, so back to the Circus for a shower. After a shower, we doinked our way down the Las Vegas Strip. I could see the Sphere glowing in the distance, but we were headed to Resorts World. This place is huge, and they even have a mini Sphere on the inside. Nick was doing a little gambling when I heard about an after party I couldn't miss. I hit the road and pulled up to Untrained Astronaut's Airbnb just in time to be on his live stream.
I hear a door. Is it Matt?
Is that?
Matt! Oh shit, we're freshly live in this.
We're
motherfucker.
freshly live in this
Look,
mother.
it's him.
What up?
This house was set up so dope. It was full of creators and cool people, custom